I received one comment about scheduling a reboot on DMA Radius. So the first thing, DMA Radius is installed on CentOS or the Ubuntu. So yes, we can do that. And how we can do that, I'll show you in this video. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Okay, so my answer to this question is yes, you can schedule anything on the Linux box. Like you can schedule automatic reboot, you can schedule any command, any script, whatever you want. Okay, let's get started and understand what is cron job and how we configure that. So for scheduling anything automatically, you will have to understand the cron job. Okay, so you can search cron job schedule on Google. It will show you the first website, crontab.guru. Okay, so let me explain you how it works. So the first number is the minute. Like if I say I want to reboot my Linux system at 3:50 a.m., then I'm going to type 50 and 3, and this asterisk means day. If there is asterisk, that means daily. If I type 25, that means that 25th of every month at 3:50, that will automatically trigger whatever I'm gonna do. Okay, so this one is for month. Like if you want to do that once in a year, you can do that too. In the month of November, on 25th 3:50 a.m. trigger this job. If you want to specify the day, like you want to do that job at Saturday, Sunday or something, you can do that too. If I type 7, it will show Sunday. If I type 6, it's gonna show Saturday. And if I do 2, that means on Tuesday at this time this job will trigger. Okay, so for now we are going to do a daily job. Like I received a comment how he can schedule a reboot on daily purpose. Alright, so I'm going to type 00 for the minute, and let's say 5 a.m. If you want to do 5 p.m., that is 17, and the day asterisk daily every month. Okay, so the next job will trigger at 5 p.m. If I type just 5, that means 5 a.m. Okay, so let's copy that and go to the Linux cell. Type here cron tab -e. It will open one editor and it says right here what you want to schedule. You can do like this. So we are going to schedule reboot. So I will type this and then reboot command. Okay, and if you want to schedule backup, you just need that command. Like here it's showing one example. Make a backup of this and store to this at the first day of the week, like on Monday at 5 a.m. So we can schedule reboot like this. We can schedule anything, whatever you want. What if even you have a script written, the sh script, you can schedule that too. Just mention here the directory name and the file name, and that's it. The job will automatically trigger. So for now I'm not going to do anything. I'll clear this out and cancel. Okay, so yeah, that's it. You can do whatever you want, but you'll need to understand this Crontab first, and this is the easiest way like you can practice by yourself by changing the minutes and the hours and the date. This is the date of the month, and this is the month, and this is day of the week. Okay, and that's it for today. And if you have any question, anything you want to ask, you can just comment out and I'll make a video on that as well. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. Bye bye.